Hi Team Mirai, my name is Ankita. I'm final year undergrad at Punjabi University, Patiala, Punjab. Today in this video, I'm going to showcase my capstone project that I built as part of my summer AI internship at Mirai School of Technology. I'm really very thankful for all the learnings and all the new experiences that this internship has offered to me. And I'm really very excited to showcase my project, what I built it. And let's move on to showcasing along with the details and actual workflow. So this is my project. I have chosen building a travel AI powered agent, and I have named the website as Backend Go. So this is Backend Go Travel Planner. The front end is built using Lovable AI. I have used prompt engineering in order to prompt Lovable so that it could generate such a beautiful interface, and I'm really very impressed through what have Lovable generated. And with all these prompts, this front end is being generated. Let's move on to what it could do. So in the navigation bar, we have by us. It navigates to by us section, and it showcases that you can create instant personalized itineraries. It is trusted and authenticated platform, and thousands of happy customers, AI powered insights. And here's how it works. So we can navigate to how it works from navbar as well. So it shows that you have to enter your days, AI will create the plan, and the itinerary will be directly DM'd in your inbox. So in order to create the plan, I will click plan my trip, and here's a form that a user have to fill in order to get the itinerary, which was generated by LLM. So before I fill this form and showcase the actual workflow, I would like to move to the backend first, which I have done using init-n. So here's my init-n workflow, and that clearly depicts that I have used webhook. So what does webhook does? It directly fetches the details which were filled by the user in the form in directly a JSON format post, and then these details are filled and you can say appended in the spreadsheet that has 3 sheets, that is travel request, doc links, and the logs. So the firstly appended the details which were fetched by the webhook were appended in this travel request sheet. So I can zoom it a bit. So these are the details which were entered in this travel request form. So the moment user enter, webhook directly fetches it, and as the node is integrated to the spreadsheet of travel request, so it enters appends all the details here. So it's all up to the init-n. Next, after that, coming back to init-n, I have integrated it with an LLM. So what it does, all the filled details in the sheet were accessed by LLM, and I can showcase that as well. So this is how I have given a prompt, and these were fetched from the sheet. And this LLM, I have used Google Gemini chat model in order to generate the itinerary. Now the moment itinerary is generated, I have generated itinerary column in my travel request form, and that column was earlier empty, and upon generation by LLM, it is added there. I have updated the column later on. So upon the updation, I have authenticated my Google Docs using Google AI Studio, and then authenticated as OAuth authorization, and then it gave my access to Google Drive. I gave my access to Google Drive docs and sheets, and this creates a document automatically upon giving the access. So a document is being created in this drive. I have given the drive access. So the moment document is created, the document is created with the file name. Earlier it is empty. In order to fill the itinerary generated by the LLM, I have used function which gives the link to the document, and it is being updated as per later on it is being updated. And after that, search file and folders were done using Google Drive. That file name which were earlier created and in which itinerary was updated, it was searched, and that drive link is being mailed to the user using the email which the user has entered. So the message was sent like, yay, your itinerary is generated, you may go through it. And later I have appended the doc which was shared to the user in my sheets as well. So let me go to the sheets. Go to my sheets. So here I have showcased the docs, like, so at this timestamp docs were shared with this user and mail ID, and here was the destination and duration of dates. Later then this is the whole complete workflow, and in the end I have added error trigger. What does error trigger do? Any error that has occurred in between is being triggered here, and same is being appended in the error logs of my spreadsheet. So in my document, in error logs spreadsheet, any errors that will occur in between or has occurred in between are entered out there. And for the same, I do receive email as it has send a mail. I have integrated the send a mail, and I do receive mail option. I do receive the mail, and this is the whole backend workflow. And let me now showcase how that this practically works. So I will be heading to my Lovable AI page. Let's move to my Lovable AI. I'm going to open up this, and this is my website. I'm going to create my trip, and all I have to do is fill up the form. So my name is Ankita. Here's my email address. And let's say I'm willing to go to Uti. I am from Ludhiana. Let's be entering let's shift okay. I am willing to go on 4th, and my return is going to be of, let's say 6th. Oh, sorry, it's October now. 8th of September. It is going to be a 4-day trip. So I'm going alone, as number of adults is 1. I have a moderate budget. I will be selecting moderate, and I would like to go with flight. So travel style, my travel style is going to be adventurous, and I have love for local culture, food and culinary, beaches, sports and adventures, and let me add shopping as well. So I'm vegetarian, let's add vegan. So I have no other religions, so I will be checking on plan my trip. So the moment I click here, the trip planning started. Your personal itinerary will be sent to your email shortly. So it is going to take a few seconds in order so that LLM gets the detail and builds the itinerary based upon that, and document is generated and all that. Till then, before that, let us go through the how error mail looks like if error triggers. This is kind of mail that I will be receiving, like, hey team, an error has occurred in your anytime workflow. So this is the workflow details, this is the node details, so please ensure to resolve this issue as soon as possible. Thanks. And it Backend Go automation system. So this is how my error mail is going to look like. And let me showcase, these were the error logs, and there are how doc links. Just a minute. Doc links, and the doc links. There is a travel request. So that was earlier entered. So the entered details which I just entered now is this one, Uti, Ludhiana. So detail is entered, itinerary is entered. So I'm just waiting for the mail in my inbox, and here's my email. So yeah, woohoo, your trip itinerary for Uti is ready. Just have a look. Hi Ankita, thanks for choosing Backend Go. Your trip details are Uti, travel dates are this and this, duration is 4 days, budget is moderate. We have created a perfect itinerary for your trip based on your preferences. Access your full itinerary here. Let me click on view itinerary, so the document will be opening up, and woohoo, here it is. Uti often can't clear enough hill stations. This, and here's fully day 1, day 2, day 3, and even day 4. And tips, travel tips as well for Uti. And here's my complete documentation. And this Capstone project is something which I love building, and I have faced a little bit of hurdles in between, like getting the client ID, getting secret key, while API key generation, but this was whole of a good learning experience that I've ever got. And thank you Team Mirai for this wonderful opportunity to intern as an AI intern, learned about such amazing tools like N8N, Lovable AI, generating such good web pages and working websites, I must say. And this whole actual integration automation was something incredible I learned about. And so this is my whole capstone project. Hope that it passes and it exceeds the passing criteria. And thank you so much for the opportunity, and thanks a lot.